So we had a pretty decent windstorm come through here last night, but the only thing that got damaged was this one pole that wasn't attached to anything and was leaning up against there. Got blown over this way. Everything else solidly right where it was left. Even the other pole that was leaning against the garage, not attached to anything, didn't move. But the power went out, all kinds of stuff. Oh, my wife just got home. Cool. Alright. Well, that was just a quick update about the windstorm. I also wanted to show I got the back walls main support up and attached, and it's good to go. Alright, I'm gonna go see what my wife wanted. Yeah, that's been an update. Everybody tell all your friends about me. Anyway, goodbye.